Are you preparing for GDPI and it already feels chaotic? Random mentor allocation, messy tracking on sheets, unclear next steps, and feedback that fades the moment the interview ends. You've earned the interview call, but you're still asking, what do I even prepare? How do I structure my story? And how do I know I'm improving? That's exactly what we built the Rodha GDPI platform to solve. Start in minutes, sign up, upload your resume, and instantly unlock My Lab, your personalized question bank built from your profile, your CV, and all the details that you put up. And it's not just a list. Questions are organized into clear categories: your education, your personal background, and your work experience. Now move from practice to performance. Book mock PIs without coordination chaos. Choose your mentor based on your profile, your college calls, and your target specialization. Pick from top IIM alumni, current students, and working professionals. You can choose people across marketing, finance, HR, or any other MBA specialization, and then book slots instantly. The platform automates scheduling, so your prep stays fast and frictionless. And when it's time to sharpen your narrative deeper, send your SOP to the mentors you want, not assigned mentors, chosen mentors. You decide who reviews, you decide who challenges, and you decide who guides. The same full choice applies to GDs too. Choose, book, prepare, repeat. And after every mock, every SOP, including every GD, you don't just get a good job done, you get detailed written feedback, clear, specific, actionable, with evaluation across the parameters that actually matter: your body language, composure, self awareness, content and clarity of thought, and depth of knowledge. So you can track progress mock after mock, PI after PI, and SOP after SOP with a quantitative system, not guesswork. Now bringing the most powerful layer: hyper personalized AI coaches trained on your resume and profile to help you across every part of the journey. SOP and story building, vet and AWT practice, interview answers and follow-ups, GD structure and entry strategies, CV framing and justification. And the hard part, most platform miss: making your answers sound like you, not like a template. And because real prep should be flexible, the platform is flexible too. No forced bundles, no rigid packages. If you don't have a GD, use your coins for more interviews. If you need more GDs than PI, do that. If you need heavier work on one area, the program adapts, not punishes. And this is not all. You also get comprehensive modules covering the entire GDPI journey end to end. From building your narrative to handling your pressure questions to speaking with structure clearly on the spot, completing the current affairs and the static GK portion, and also interacting with the alumni and the people who you want to interact with when you receive your best call. Because GDPI is not about converting a call, it's about learning how to speak for yourself, how to own your journey, how to walk into that room steady, clear, and present. Rodha GDPI Platform: personalized questions, mentor choice, instant bookings, written feedback, AI coaches, and complete flexibility. You're close and you don't walk the final stretch alone. Walk in ready to say, this is who I am and this is why I belong here.